Paragraph. At the present case, the PSC has taken upon itself in appointing the examiners to evaluate the answer papers, and as such the PSC and examiners stand in a principal agent relationship. Here the PSC in the shoes of a principal has entrusted the task of evaluating the answer papers to the examiners. Consequently, examiners in the position of agents are bound to evaluate the answer papers as per the instructions given by the PSC. As a result, a fiduciary relationship is established between the PSC and the examiners. Therefore, any information shared between them is not liable to be disclosed. Furthermore, the information seeker has no role to play in this, and we won't see any logical reason as to how this will benefit him or the public at large. We would like to point out that the disclosure of the identity of examiners is in the least interest of the general public, and also any attempt to reveal the examiner's identity will give rise to dire consequence. Therefore, in our considered opinion, revealing examiners' identity will only lead to confusion and public unrest. Hence, we are not inclined to agree with the decision of the Kerala High Court with respect to the second question. Paragraph. In the present case, the request of the information seeker about the information of his answer sheets and details of the interview marks can be and should be provided to him. It is not something which a public authority keeps it under a fiduciary capacity. The Commission has responded thrust on the examiners that they will check the exam papers with utmost care, honesty, and impartiality, and similarly the examiners have faith that they will not be facing any unfortunate consequence for doing their job properly. If we allow disclosing names of the examiners in every exam, the unsuccessful candidates may try to take revenge from the examiners for doing their job properly. This may further create a situation where the potential candidates in the next similar examination, especially in the same state or in the same level, will try to contact the disclosed examiners for any potential gain by illegal means in the potential exam. Paragraph. We therefore allow these appeals in part and modify the judgment only to the extent that the respondents applicants are not entitled to the disclosure of names of the examiners as sought for by them. Paragraph. The petitioner was directly recruited in the Group A services as a regional transport officer in 1990 and has been working as Joint Transport Commissioner since 2008. The petitioner belongs to the scheduled caste community and is physically handicapped. Ortho. Paragraph. The petitioner says that he has been unfairly treated for selection to the Indian Administrative Service, for short the IAS, and that he is entitled to the benefit of the quota for physically handicapped persons under scheduled caste category for selection under the Indian Administrative Service appointed by selection regulations 1997. For this, the petitioner placed reliance on the decision of this court in Union of India versus National Federation of the Blind and section 33 of the Persons with Disabilities, Equal Opportunities, Protection of Rights and Full Participation Act 1995.